Ryobi has just issued a recall for 780,000 of their electric pressure washers. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about what that recall is, if your unit is affected, and what to do if it is. Now really quickly, before we get into all that, I wanna let you know, as I'm filming this, it is Labor Day weekend. I wanna let all of you know that my personal website, dtlrsupply.com, I'm going to be running a Labor Day sale. Just use code LABORDAY at checkout and it'll save you 20% off site-wide. All right, now let's get into this recall. So first off, I want to say thank you to the person who sent this to me on Instagram. They sent me this story. So Jay-Z, thank you so much. And now I don't think it's the rapper Jay-Z, but Jay-Z is on Instagram. So thank you so much for sending this to me. It's very, very important. As a reviewer of pressure washers, when I review something, I don't have the long-term test, right? It's first impressions, showing the performance and all that kind of stuff. So if anything ever comes up like this, I will do my best to reach out to you guys and let you all know so that the issues can be addressed. Okay, so the initial story that I saw that was sent to me is from foxbusiness.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and read some of this to you guys, and then we'll get into more of the details on Ryobi's site and some of the consumer reports as well. So first up here, guys, the title is about 780,000 pressure washers recalled after reported explosions and injuries. So, about 780,000 pressure washers sold at major home improvement retailers nationwide are being recalled after users reported dozens of explosions, according to the regulators. TTI Outdoor Equipment's Ryobi electric pressure washers capacitor can overheat and eventually burst, causing parts to be forcefully ejected, posing a risk or serious injury from impact to the users or bystanders, according to the Consumer Product Safety Commission report. So, real quick, let's talk about TTI. TTI is a gigantic brand. They actually own brands, or at least create the tools for these brands. I don't know if they actually own them or what the details are, but some of those brands are Ryobi Tools, gigantic, Milwaukee Tools, gigantic, Hart Tools, which is like the Ryobi style product, but for Walmart. And then they also have brands like Hoover Vacuums, Dirt Devil, and a bunch of others. It's a giant company. So I have no doubt, and I'm very happy to see that they're addressing this right away, but I have no doubt that they're gonna completely take care of the issues. Recalls happen. When a new model of a car comes out, it's a pretty common thing, it seems like. It happens. It's a bummer that this is happening in the pressure washer market, but it's all part of doing business, unfortunately. So the report states that about 764,000 units were sold in the US, about 16,000 of them were sold in Canada. So again, let's go ahead and head over to the Ryobi Tools website now. And right there on their website, they have recall notices, and it says recall of the Ryobi models, gives the model numbers, but it's the 2300 PSI and the 2700 PSI electric pressure washers are being recalled due to projectile hazard and risk of serious injury. So again, these were sold in the US, Canada, and Mexico, and online. And these aren't brand new units, guys, so it actually states that they've been sold at Home Depot and on directtoolsoutlet.com from July 2017 until June of 2024. So we're gonna go ahead and read the CPSC, which is the Consumer Product Safety Commission's report on this. And right here it states, name of product, Ryobi electric pressure washers. The hazard is that the pressure washer's capacitor can overheat and burst, causing parts to be forcefully ejected, posing a risk of serious injury and impact to the user or bystanders. Remedy, there is a repair. So again, TTI Ryobi is taking care of this. So the repair, consumers should immediately stop using the recalled pressure washers and visit ryobitools.com/recall, which we'll go to in a second here, to determine if their pressure washer is included in the recall and to receive a free repair kit. So the kit will include shipping and installation instructions, all taken care of. The repair kit consists of a replacement capacitor. Proof of purchase or a receipt for the unit is not required, right? You don't have to prove that you bought the thing. If you have the unit, they will address it and take care of it for you. So here's the page. Again, guys, this is all just on ryobitools.com and things like that, but I'll put direct links to all of these things down in the description for you so you can find it really quickly, read more about it if you want, and the most important thing is find out if your unit is affected. So right here it says, is your pressure washer part of the current recall? There's a drop-down menu, and there are currently 3 model numbers on there. So you can select one of those. You go down a little bit, there's a graphic showing where your serial number will be on your unit. So you put in your model number, then you go to your unit, you find the serial number, you go down and you type that in. So you'll type it in once, then they'll ask you to verify it, and then you hit submit, and it'll let you know if your pressure washer is part of the recall. So again, guys, I think I wanted to make this video and bring this all to your attention. Thank you again to the person that sent this to me. Again, like I said, as a reviewer, I feel some sort of responsibility to let you guys know of any issues that come up, and I always try and do my best to be as honest as I can with all my reviews. These 2 units I did review. It's been a long time. I usually review stuff as they come out as early as I can. So it's been a long time since I reviewed these. Again, it said that they've been selling since 2017. So here's where we land today. The recall has been issued. Go check it out. Make sure that yours is either not part of it, or if it is, they'll get the repair kit out to you. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that helps. I hope that brings enough attention to the issue. Again, side note, on my personal site, dtlrsupply.com, so dtlrsupply.com, 20% off with code Labor Day all the way through the end of Monday, which is Labor Day. So with that said, I hope all of you have a fantastic Labor Day weekend. If you have one of these units, don't go around pressure washing, cleaning up your house. Just enjoy the weekend and take some time off and relax. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and we will see you guys on the next one.